Hey everyone! So I'm trying something a little different today. I have white and black laid down and we're going to drag through the middle. It's not perfect, but that's okay because we're going to move it around a little bit. Don't have to have a definite line. It's very hard to do that with base paint, by the way, so I'm just letting you know. I tested it for you. So I want to use colors that look good on white and black. And I'm going to get started by spraying my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. I don't use this to make cells, I just use it to release paint from the cup. But if you don't rub it in the cup, like I rub it in, you will get some few tiny cells from it. Not the big juicy ones like we get from the treadmill silicone. So I'm definitely going to use gold. And I think I'm going to use metallic cobalt blue hue. Back in the bottle. Get that out of my way. This is Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue hue. It's very pretty on a painting. And I think I'm going to try some, I was going to do purple pearl, but I'm changing my mind already. And I think I'm going to go with some pewter. This bottle's pretty full. Just want to get it squirting here, make sure I don't have all the silicone come out at once, which I would have had, so that's good. Okay. And maybe a little sea mist pearl, just to break it up. So I wanted something that looks good on the white and looks good on the black, and when I airbrush it out, maybe we can intermingle a little bit. So I'm going to start with the pewter, about a tablespoon. Follow that with the gold and the cobalt blue hue, and then the sea mist pearl. Now I'm doing a little bit more than I normally do. I'm going to just swirl it a little bit because I want to fill up the canvas so I can tilt. So I'm going to pop it right in the middle. And that's okay because we're going to move it. I already knew I was going to make a mess. So it's already down. I'm not sure if we'll need to poke a hole, but I'm going to just be on the safe side. And we're just going to move that around and intertwine those two. I already see I want to bring some of this over this edge. So I want it to run down the corners of the canvas. So I'm just going to move it a little bit this way to bring it into the white. Of course, you want to bring it back so that you don't get too many zigzags going. I think when I airbrush this out, we're going to be good. I'm not going to have to tilt too much more. Let's see what we get. We're going to play a little bit with it. brought some of that black over, which was kind of neat. Now, if you remember when I talk about blowing paint into black, you want to go a little bit farther because the black's going to eat those little edges up. So you always want to push just a little bit farther with the black. Give it a torch and see these bubbles go away. We are getting a few more cells, not a lot. So I'm going to take my skewer now and I'm just going to play a little bit with these edgies. Won't get the same effect on the black side because there's no white coming out. That's pretty cool. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Let me give you a close-up. Metallics will be pretty when they're dry. They're a little mucky looking, but the pewter and the gold and the seamless pearl is, I don't even see much of the seamless pearl. It's more in the black area there in the middle, but it should dry pretty. So that's it for that one, guys. Short and sweet. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook and Etsy. I have Redbubble on there as well for merchandise now. You can buy a coffee cup with a print. I'm actually going to order one for myself. And we also have the Stone Coat Art Resin code below. If you're just starting and doing resining, resin work, I should say. This is the one to use. It's thick, it stays where you place it. You have about a 45 to an hour work time. So, and I've been using it for some flood coating, and I'm getting away with one coat. So keep that in mind. It's not overpriced. It's actually a great price. And if you get the code below, CWA, all in caps, you'll get $30 off an $80 purchase. So check it out, but make sure you get the art coat. If you get the countertop epoxy by mistake, you can use that for tiles. You can use it as well on your canvas, but the art coat was made especially for artwork. It has that UV inhibitor, so your resin won't yellow, and no VOCs, so you're not smelling and inhaling toxic fumes. So check all the links out below. Shop with me on Amazon for all your supplies. And join us on Facebook if you have questions or you want to share pictures with me. Also contact me through my email at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. Thanks guys, and have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.